Is your Nintendo Switch showing the wrong date or time? No worries. Fixing it is simple, and I'll guide you through every step. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to update the date, time, and time zone settings in your Switch in no time. Let's jump right in. So first of all, go to System Settings. In the left menu, scroll all the way down. Select System. On the right side, find and select Date and Time. Press A. If parental controls are on, you may need a pin. Now, if the clock is syncing automatically, you won't be able to change it manually. Select Synchronize Clock via Internet and turn it off. Select Time Zone. Choose your correct location from the list. Now go back and select Date and Time. Adjust the date and time using the up and down buttons of your left controller. Press OK to save. All done. Your Nintendo Switch now shows the right time, date, and time zone. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and have fun gaming.